I'm the General Manager of Dakotelin Nigeria Limited, Port Harcourt. And this here is our facility, Dakotelin Waste Management Facility at Ibueche, Rivers State. At this gate, the waste stream from the well site arrives in two forms. There's the fluid part and there's the cuttings part. So inside the facility, once we enter, I will show you where we have the temporary retention pits, the containment pits, and the tanks where we store the fluids. So we do the treatment here and the disposal.
The company always makes sure that the safety of the company and the staff is very important to them, and always make sure that they enlightening the staff about safety. And drill waste management and solids control services in Rivers State and other parts of Nigeria. Its services include handling of oil-based mud, OBM, and water-based mud cuttings, soil remediation, on-site waste equipment operation, and environmental engineering for drilling projects.
So we are in a Dakotelin waste management site where we treat the waste cuttings from the rig. Okay, the plan is from the rig site we will transport the cuttings using skips, cutting skips, and then once arrives on these locations, the cuttings will be stored in the coral bond wall. The coral bond wall, you know. So once the coral bond wall is stored in the coral bond wall, then the fluid will come with tanker. The fluid will come with a tanker, and then we'll store them on this 500 barrel tank, see the 500 barrel tank. We will keep them, store them in this 500 barrel tank. So these are 500 barrel tanks. So we have 5 of them here on locations. So each of them is 500 barrels. So we will store it, and then from here we will carry out our treatment process. And the treatment process is with the watering system, whereby we use coagulations and polymerizations to separate the solids from the dissolved solids inside the mud, and then we'll pass it through our watering system that will decant the solids from the liquid. Then we'll have a clean liquid, treated liquid. Then the treated liquid will pass through this API tank. It will pass through here for filtrations, and then, okay, we filter, do a stage of filtrations. Whatever come out from here, the effluent that come from here, we enter into the reverse osmosis. The reverse osmosis is not here. It will pass through the reverse osmosis to take care of the chloride content. That is the salinity. So bringing it to less than 600 milligram per liter. Less than 600 milligram per liter. Then at that stage, we can discharge the environment. We can discharge the world, the environment, clean water, which meet the NUPR standard of less than 600 milligram. Okay? Then for the cuttings that will come, the gray cuttings that will come, we have a dump site here. Look at this place. We have our dump site. Alright, we have our dump site this side where we handle the cuttings, where we treat the cuttings. These are the proposed place. You can see that was the former things we have before, the cuttings we had before. So this is where we map out to treat the water-based cuttings. Okay, the plan is for us to fix it, what we call the process of fixation. That is stabilization and fixation. That's what happened here, whereby we mix the 3 cuttings with cement, joyster, and according to ratios. And then it is stabilized, and then we turn them to bricks. So that's the plan for here. Then we mold the blocks. And also, if you look at your right here, your left here, you see our half moon tanks. We have our half moon tank here. So we have our half moon tank. The half moon tank is cotton storage tank, and each of them is about 250 barrels. So this is where we store the cuttings, and then the excavator will mix the cuttings here. We'll also mix them from here, and then from here we'll be able to take it to the coral bond wall, where we'll fix it and convert it to bricks. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have about 5 half moon tanks here. 5 half moon tanks for containing cuttings.
Okay.